The new Rohde&Schwarz digital oscilloscope HMO1002 delivers top performance at a surprisingly low price. Sampling rate, sensitivity and pattern generator are as much an absolute novelty for oscilloscopes in this price segment as is the fanless design. The HMO1002 comes standard as a mixed signal oscilloscope. This means users won't have to choose between a purchase of an oscilloscope with or without MSO option. The active logic probe HO3508, which is available separately, enables a total of 8 digital channels. In addition, the many enhanced functions will please all users. A simple voucher system allows a bandwidth upgrade from the basic 50 to 70 or 100 MHz at any point in time. The vertical sensitivity of the HMO1002 instruments is 4 times higher than that of standard oscilloscopes and detects even the smallest details of the measured signals. For developers without access to prototype hardware, the integrated 4-bit wide pattern generator comes into play. Prefabricated, freely editable pattern signals enable users to instantly emulate any signal patterns of up to 50 megabits per second. A function generator provides all basic waveforms such as sine wave, square wave or ramp in frequencies of up to 50 kHz. The newly developed HMO1002 hardware enables users to perform a signal analysis in the frequency domain with up to 128,000 measuring points. This is a value that you'll otherwise only find in instruments of higher price segments. For the communication between embedded systems and environment, the HMO1002 offers hardware-supported signal triggering and decoding as an option for the most common protocols. Another special feature, the integrated digital voltmeter. It enables simultaneous voltage measurements on both analog channels with 2 measurement parameters per channel. The Rohde&Schwarz HMO1002 mixed signal oscilloscope offers outstanding features. It operates silently and is upgradable at any time. That means premium quality at an attractive price. Value instruments by Rohde&Schwarz. German engineered quality at an unexpected price.